about this whole Cheseborough Lord Fear alliance. If they manage to short-circuit Ace and Sparks, man, you're a goner. I just hope you've got those pieces of that amulet well hidden.
I've only got 3 pieces of the amulet, Pete. One's around my neck, the other one's safely buried in the backyard, and the last one's...
Mom! Supper!
I gotta go, Pete. I'll talk to you later.
Safely buried in the backyard. That's perfect.
Reconnaissance mission starting now. Suspect is holding a briefcase. Probably smuggling the stuff that shorted out Ace. Suspect is headed into the haunted house. Mighty Knight is gonna keep an eye on him.
I've got to hand it to you, partner. You got guts, and I aim to get them. Get on back here now. I can't lose one more body part.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Come on. Focus. Oh, there. That's better.
Yeah! Please don't turn me into a piece of charcoal.
Tell me where Ace is, and I won't.
Bad move, lady. Very bad.
Oh, sweet.
Okay, so we have a deal, right? In exchange for Formula XZX, you promise to spare my life and the planet and get rid of the evil aliens. Hmm?
Of course I promise. Does this look like the face of a liar? Teacher?
No, that's fine. I'm convinced.
Oh, blimey, he'd believe anything. No wonder test scores are going down.
Shut up. We must not be rude to our benefactor, my testy totem. He has bestowed upon us a most valuable weapon in our fight against the evil Ace Lightning. Let me show you to the door. We have all the formula we need. When he gets outside, destroy him.
Mr. Bugle.
Hi, Mr. Cheseborough. How you doing?
He's getting away.
Who needs him when we've got Sparks?
We need backup, kid. Where's Mark?
I don't know. Where's Ace?
Yes, just doesn't seem the same without him. Where is the capeless crusader?
Thanks for asking, Fear. Didn't know you cared.
Someday he's gonna have to choose between us, Sparksy. and he'll pick me, because I'll have obliterated you by then.
Back off, Ace. I can handle this.
It didn't look that way to me, Sparks. Scram, kid, and don't ever come back here alone again. That goes for both of you.
Oh, but it was just getting good.
I said now, Chuck dude.
Okay, okay. Get any more emotional and you'll start sounding like my father.
I could have taken him, Ace. What are you doing here?
I'm saving your butt, and I'm getting tired of it. Just because they beat me once doesn't mean you're fighting on your own. Last I looked, we were still a team.
We won't be if this keeps up. Lightning flash, to me!
Howdy, Chuck. Can I give you a hand?
Later, dude.
Hey, wait for Rotgut! What you talking to? Get back here! Quit blocking me! I'm warning you!
Me and Kilobyte saw the whole thing. That was brutal. If I'd only had the formula, I could have destroyed them.
Perhaps. But there's more than one way to skin a superhero. We need a piece of the amulet to summon another foe from the 6th dimension.
But the amulet could be anywhere. How do we find it?
You don't. I do. I know where it's safely buried.
Reconnaissance mission accomplished, huh?
And you're sure nothing else happened? You just shot the tape and left?
Piece of cake, dude. What are you guys filming? High school's dorkiest home videos? Wayne, it's not a toy.
I'm coming for you, Chucky. Wait for Rotgut! That ain't fair. You got a leg up on me.
This is Wayne Fiscus, reporting live from the bus. And we've spotted the abominable Dork Man.
And that's a wrap, Wayne. Chuck, what's wrong?
Nothing. I've got it covered.
Hi, Mark. Bye, Mark.
Oh, wait, where's the fire?
I wish there was a fire. Okay, I don't really wish there was a fire. Just wish there was something cool going on in this school. This week's the first issue of our school paper, and we still have nothing for the cover.
You know, I was thinking about writing for the school paper. Maybe I could help.
Not a good idea. As co-editors, Heather and I need to be brutally honest with our writers.
What a coincidence. I love brutal honesty. How could you say no to this face?
Like this. No.
Come on. It'd be a chance for us to hang out together.
All right, I'll make you a deal. We still don't have a cover story for this week's issue. If you can come up with something big, then you can write for the paper.
I knew I liked you for a reason. Well, not that I like you. Although I do like you. Maybe you should just go before I make a bigger fool of myself.
Done.
So where exactly are we gonna find this piece of the amulet? And who told you where it was in the first place? And why didn't you tell Lord Fear? Hey, this is where Ace's sidekick lives. Huh, lots of memories in this place. Mostly bad ones. Oh,
A piece of the amulet is buried here somewhere. Start digging.
oh, well, that's cool. Huh, I can dig it.
Howdy, Chuck. Oh, Rotgut's got a hankering to turn you into the walking dead. Help me out here, partner. It ain't easy being dead.
Dude, am I glad I ran into you.
Yeah, that makes one of us.
Listen, Mark, Rotgut's here.
What? We better do something before you...
Chillax, dude. He's after me, which makes him my responsibility. I'll handle it.
Chuck, can't just start some solo mission. Just leave it to me. I'll get rid of him.
Why are you and Ace always telling me what to do? You know I've been playing this game longer than anyone. I'm not gonna mess it up. It's my problem, I'll deal with it.
Chuck! Chuck!
Almost powered up.
Go for Sparks.
You gotta watch your back. I think there's something big going down the Carnival. Rotgut's been sent here to distract us.
Saying your goodbyes, Mr. Hollander?
I gotta go. I gotta go to class.
Don't be a fool, Hollander. The days of your evil alien friends are numbered. Numbered! Switch sides while you still can! Which side are you on? Hmm? Yes, you, I'm talking to you. I know where you live. You get back here right now!
We may be a team, but I've got something to prove.
Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling.
Oh, my darling Clementine, you are gone and lost forever. Oh, my darling Clementine. Have you seen Chuck? Was I off key?
There's a cowboy monster and a science clown! Ah! A monster! Help me! Ah! A monster!
Transformer's all yours, Sparks. Sparks? No, not again.
Huh? Oh, you ain't Chuck.
And you ain't supposed to be here.
Yeah! Nice shooting, partner!
Whoa. Someone really lost it. They say I have anger issues.
No! My formula! It's destroyed!
You. You. It wasn't.
You did.
Yes!
Did you hear? The lab got trashed and Wayne's been suspended. Isn't that great?
No, that's awful.
Well, yeah, it's awful, but I mean, it's great for the paper. I mean, what are the odds? They let you write the cover story and then Wayne trashes the lab? You are so lucky.
Oh, yeah, lucky me. Look, I don't think I can write that story. I'm sorry.
What? Why not?
Well, maybe Wayne didn't do it. Or maybe we just don't have all the facts.
Maybe Kat shouldn't have given you the cover story. Maybe I shouldn't have. I was depending on you, Mark.
Oh, Kat, wait!
So, let me guess. Rotgut trashed the lab and you handled it alone.
Yeah, but there's no need to thank me.
Thank you.
Really, I said there was no need.
Rotgut was my responsibility. I could have handled it if you'd give me a chance.
But Chuck... This really isn't my day.
I got a piece of the amulet. I got a piece of the amulet. I got a piece
Now it's getting interesting.
I got a piece of the amulet.
At last, we can finally destroy Sparks.
I'll take it from here.
I don't think so.
flying solo.
Listen, Ace. They've got another piece of the amulet. Now's the time to...
Don't even go there, Sparks. We're outnumbered. Besides, the way you've been acting, I wouldn't trust you to watch my back.
Kilobyte arrives, Ace splits. This does not look good.
She's escaping. You could have destroyed her.
I can finish her off at my leisure. We have what we want right here.
Wayne, can we talk?
Sorry, Mark. Love to chat, but I've got to clean the science lab before I serve my suspension.
But it's not fair. You didn't do it.
How do you know I didn't do it?
Because I was there when it happened, okay? And since you didn't do it, why don't you just tell Cheseborough the truth?
Why waste my breath? He won't believe me.
You don't know that.
Don't you get it, Brit Boy? I'm Wayne, a school screw-up. Anything bad goes down or gets trashed, everyone assumes it's me.
But they're not this time.
Be careful, Ace.
Hey, Chuck. Look, I'm sorry about earlier on with Rotgut.
Save your breath, dude. I totally overreacted. I should have told you about Rotgut sooner. I just wanted to prove that I could finish what I started.
I know what you mean.
Anyway, thanks, bro. You walking home?
No, I gotta do something for Kat. Well, and Wayne.
Huh?
Yeah, it's a long story. You haven't spoken to Ace or Sparks, have you?
No.
Well, if you hear from them, let me know.
You can count on me.
Chuck, I already do.
We've got to talk.
I'm listening.
Look, I know I shouldn't have gone on my own, Ace, but somebody's got to get out there and kick Kilobyte's butt.
I'm not afraid of him, if that's what you're thinking.
Well, then what is it? Those human emotions hanging you up again?
No, they're helping. Humans have a power called intuition. My intuition tells me Kilobyte's under someone else's control. And until we find out who's controlling Kilobyte, we'll never truly defeat him. He'll just keep hunting for us.
Anybody home?
I'll get it.
The pig is back!
You always did hog the spotlight. Ace! I'm losing power!
At last, my prey is cornered.
Oh, I wouldn't have missed this for all the cheese in China.
Oh, you've been a worthy foe, Ace Lightning. It has been a thrilling hunt. But this is how it ends, like all hunts, with the death of my prey.
Ace!
Pigface still hungry?
Yeah! Blast her again, piggy!
You fool!
Must have been something you ate.
No! No, no, no!
Are you all right?
think so. Considering I've just been slimed by a pig. At least I used my head for once.
You did good, Sparks. We were outnumbered, and we survived. And I'll tell you something else. You're right. No more waiting for them to attack. It's time to take it to Kilobyte.
Yes!
Mr. Cheseborough, you have to let Wayne go.
What are you doing?
Stay out of this, Hollander. It's none of your business.
Actually, yes, it is. I was here in the lab when it got trashed, not Wayne.
Is this true, Fiscus?
Yeah.
Fiscus, you may go. Okay. With my apologies. Hollander. Do you have any idea what you've done? I can't begin to calculate the length of your punishment.
Here's the deal. I'll clean up the lab. Period. End of punishment.
That's the worst deal I've ever heard. Now,
the worst deal was the one you made with those aliens. No matter what they told you, you're on the wrong side. And so if I were you, I would consider switching sides before it's too late. And then I'll try to keep the aliens from coming after you.
okay. Okay. Okay, it's a deal. But this is one promise you had better keep, boy. And if the aliens kill me, the deal is off.
Yeah.
Forgot my school bag.
Wayne, wait. I just want to say thanks. You could have ratted me out to Cheseborough, and you didn't.
Talk to Cheseborough? What, crazy?
Cool you're both here. Mark, your story rocked. It really made me think of my assumptions of people. And Wayne, I know you didn't trash the lab, and so will the rest of the school once they read Mark's story. Actually says a lot of nice things about you. Anyway, I should go. I have a deadline.
You said nice things about me?
Well, yeah, just a few. I mean,
how could you do that? I have a reputation. Hey, Cat, wait, stop the presses. I'm a bad guy.
it's a funny thing, Pete. But sometimes, being a hero doesn't mean you know everything or have all the answers. Sometimes, it just means admitting you made a mistake.